Hadian kajing kulumar bami na kajing tambor ki pulet Assam haki jaka khappud kari na kaliang ke sorkar Meghalaya kala shim ya karai man penlong da kajing leit jurip ya ki jaka haki khappud bat ka Assam haka sau tarik mentau benai. Haba keren cikilat patai kubor uba renik ton tongkar u MLA ka mau kerwat ulaya tu bana kaliang ke sorkar kala thau ya ki komiti man pej ya ka bha kamiat ki jaka ba khappud bat ka Assam haka ba an penlong ya ki jing jurip bat ai report ahlor ka jing long jingban haka tei ki jaka ulai tu shushu ba komiti na kaliang jong u kumu chairman kin select ban jurip haka santrik metau banai nailar ki jaka bangat haka ni ka komiti balong chairman uba tongkhar ki kentup ya ka zizang hahim tarabari bat langpi ula ongru balakha ya ka Meghalaya na ka Assam bat ka Assam ka de ban perkhat bakan aino ya ki jaka ki bahap hapo upod usam ka Meghalaya da ka jingsngo baka de ai bha ya laki khun ya ki nongshun.
That since you all know that there was a committee in the district in the area of differences, there was a committee constituted by the government, and one committee in West Khasi Hills I'm heading as the chairperson of the committee. So we have decided to inspect the area of differences within the district West Khasi Hills on 4th, day after tomorrow. Myself and then Honorable Minister Babrol, who is the co-chairperson, and we will try to take along some of the representatives, of course along with the official from the district West Khasi Hills. We'll be going to inspect all those villages falls on those recognized 12 area of differences. So that is the information that I can give you as of now. 1 minute. Hello. Zizang, and then Hahim, Tarabari, and then Langpi. These areas falls under our jurisdiction, for which we will go to inspect. Chief Minister of Assam, where we will also be going, some of us, to go along with our Chief Minister, and we should have the report, brief report, short report, whatever we can do when we come from our inspection. We have 1 day on 5th where we can compile the report, whatever we can get from that inspection. No, only you see, we are entitled only our area in West Khasi Hills. I am the chairman of that committee, and the rest, there are some others ministers who will be heading the committee. They will do their job also to inspect, or they may have a committee. That is depend on the wisdom of the committee, whether they will go for inspection or they will have the meeting among the members constitute that committee. But we have decided to go and inspect the site itself.
Yeah.
You see, we are talking about referendum. That also, it's one of the criteria that we will try to consider that also. But that may not be the final decision to take on the people's referendum. But of course, it's one of the criteria to be considered. I'm with you on that. I also feel that it's important, at least to encourage people to register the land. But that, you see, since now we are in the process of getting the border, so I think at this point of time, encouraging people just to register immediately, I think it may not be right decision at this point of time, since we are going to settle. So let's see how fast, how best we can settle. And of course, even after settlement also, it is better for the people to register their land. And I would request people residing there in the border area to register their land in Meghalaya. Of course, we will see how we can do. I don't know whether even the declaration, if it's allowed people to declare, so that they need not to pay the stamp duty on the small amount of stamp paper they have to buy by doing the declaration. So we'll explore that possibilities is there. It depends on the deputy commissioner to do that. Most of the people, we understand that if we really want to find a solution it seems that there is no other way to find a solution except give and take. I just want to reiterate it again that by give and take we expect big heart from Assam. We expect big heart from Assam, and I wish that will happen. I wish that will happen because they are the parent state. From them we got Meghalaya. So as parents, I think they will consider to keep enough space for the children when they go out. So I still expect Assam also, they will not feel like they are giving to foreigners, but they are giving to their own daughters, to their own children. So taking that into consideration, we hope we will be benefiting, and Assam will have a big heart to give those land, especially those land in possession by the people of Meghalaya for many years, for 100 years. So those land we expect that Assam would give and will declare that they belong to Meghalaya. Everybody. We have included MLA Ramrai, who belongs from Congress, and then MDC also from Congress, and then MLA, Honorable MLA by Jikur Mathong from NPP. So, and then Mark also from NPP, myself and Babro. So we are all, means all the party from that area we are there. And even in the state also we have that opinion that at least everybody will be there, but I can't say exactly. That depends on the wisdom of our Chief Minister while constituting that state level committee. But in the district, yeah, almost everybody is included. Yes, we need very much their help, and we have constituted, the committee in the district level by including all the HIMAs, the headmen, of those affected villages. So we expect we need the documents here to help, because you see the history, they have got better record. So we need their help, yeah, including district council, as I said. So we need, in fact, everybody, and we want to take everybody on board and to be part of this solution, to be part of this discussion.